Hello, my name is Megan Kenzior, and I'm a professional dancer and choreographer. I'm really grateful to be a graduate student at the University of California at Riverside in the dance department. Before moving to the Inland Empire, I lived in New York City for 10 years. And I'm now a Gluck Fellow, and I'm so excited to teach you a 10-minute warm-up that will prepare you for dancing outdoors. I love being in nature, and I'm very inspired by all of the beauty on our planet. Today, we'll be moving different parts of our bodies, and we'll be using our imaginations. Dancing outside is all about being aware of your surroundings, using what you see, how you feel, and the things that you smell or touch to inspire your movements. All right, so here I am in my front yard, but you may be in your house or in your backyard or on a balcony or at a park, wherever you can access the technology to watch this video. Please just find a little bit of space around you and bring your creative energy. Let's get moving. We'll start standing up tall, if you're able, and just take a look around you. Notice your surroundings and twist your body from side to side, letting your eyes lead you and your arms follow. Okay. Let that settle. Now notice your toes. Look down and wiggle them. Imagine Mama Earth below you. Feel as if there is sand or dirt between your toes. Now, look up and imagine you're seeing a big blue sky. Look down again to the earth and your toes, and now up to the sky above your head. Tilt your head to one side, letting your ear get close to your shoulder, and now the other shoulder. Good. Let's repeat all that. Head down to the earth, and now up to the sky, center, now to one side, and the other side. Good. All right, so now you're going to imagine that there is a crayon attached to your nose. Plant your feet firmly on the earth and use your nose to draw a big circle all the way around you. Great. Now reverse. Go the other way, drawing another big circle all the way around you. Let's do that again. One big circle to one side and to the other side. Good. I'm starting to feel warm. Now our head and necks should be pretty warmed up. Let's now imagine that the wind is blowing you gently from side to side. Keep your feet planted firmly, but let your arms flow in the breeze. Whoa! A big gust of wind comes. Gotta gather yourself up. Okay. Now it's a gentle breeze again. So we're just improvising, moving our arms in the breeze. Great. Let that settle down. Now imagine that you're under a big tree and there's lots of fruit hanging down. Let's bend both our knees and reach side to side and then up towards the fruit in the tree with both arms. Reach your right arm up a little higher towards, maybe it's an orange. Feel that big stretch on one side of your body And now reach the other arm, the left arm up, trying to pick an orange from the tree. Let's repeat this, stretching the sides of our body until maybe we have enough imaginary oranges to fill up our pockets. And maybe even our backpacks. Keep going. Good. I'm feeling the stretch and imagining the tree, looking up at it. Great. Let's shake it all out. Okay, now we're going to imagine that we've been transported to a desert and we're all going to become baby cactuses. You know, those are the tall, prickly plants. They grow in many different shapes and sizes, usually in sandy environments. Okay, let's all crouch down and imagine yourself as a small plant. And now grow slowly up to become a big cactus. Good. Let's try that again, finding a new shape. Maybe you're going to be a big round cactus or a tall one with big spiking branches. Let's try it again. Can you feel the heat of the desert? Can you imagine prickly spikes covering your arms as branches? All right. Let's take a step to the side and imagine we're going to grow this time into a tall blade of grass. You know, like one of those grasses or wheat fields that grow very tall, like as high as your chest. Okay, so here we go. Let's crouch down, get really small, and then slowly wind your way up, growing like a grass. Maybe even blowing in the breeze like a grass does. Imagine we're part of a big field all together. Beautiful. Can you feel the wind on your skin? Let's try it again. Great. Okay, let's all now take one more step to the other side, and this time we're going to become a flower seed. So get really small and close your eyes. Imagine what color flower you might want to be and how good you're going to smell. Okay, so open your eyes and grow to become that flower. Wow, you look so stunning. Let's try it again. You can choose to be the same flower or try out another idea from your imagination. Become the seed and growing up. Great. You're beautiful. Okay, let's take one more inspiration from nature. And let's grow to become big, tall trees. Maybe like a redwood tree or an oak tree. You're going to become tall and mighty and powerful. So we'll start really small and then rise up. Your arms will become the branches, your body the trunk, and your fingers the leaves. And maybe your leaves will sparkle in the breeze. Big trees are old and wise. They take time to grow, and they make homes for so many different kinds of plants and animals. Amazing. Wow, that was fun. All right, so now you've felt the sand beneath your toes the wind in your hair, the heat on your skin. I'm feeling warm. I hope you're feeling prepared and that your body is feeling ready to go outside. I also hope your mind is feeling active and open to seeing everything around you with a little more awareness. Maybe you'll even start to use your imagination more regularly in your daily life. All right, let's do it. Have fun dancing outside. Head on out.